What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I made a recipe video, which is why I decided to make one today. And oatmeal is one of the best breakfast options that is available, whether you're trying to lose weight or gain weight. It is high on complex carbs, high in fiber, which means that it's going to keep you full for longer, and it's also low in calories. But let's be honest, having oatmeal every day can be pretty boring, and some of us might not even like it. Whichever end of the spectrum you're on, don't worry, I got you covered. Today we'll be making low-calorie oats upma, all the spices and flavor that you get from regular upma, along with the goodness and benefits of plain old-fashioned oats. So if you have a box of oats lying around somewhere and you're about to throw it because you hate it, well, hold on to it because we might just change that. And like always, the calories and the macronutrient breakdown of the entire recipe will be mentioned at the end. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. Alrighty, to start off, we are going to dry roast 80 grams of old-fashioned oats on medium flame for about 5 minutes until it turns aromatic and crisp. Once that's done, we'll keep that aside and add 1 tablespoon of ghee into the pan. And then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 chopped green chilies, a few curry leaves, 20 grams of chana dal, 3 to 4 whole cashews crushed, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and finally 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry this mix until the dal turns golden. We will then add 1 finely chopped onion into the mix and saute until the onions turn transparent. Time to go in with the veggies, guys. So let's go add 50 grams of green peas, 50 grams of green beans, 50 grams of chopped carrot, and fry them for about 2 minutes. Next, add 1 chopped medium tomato along with some salt for taste. Give it a good mix and cook it for about 5 minutes until all the veggies are well cooked. Let's now spice it up a bit by adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Once the masalas have mixed well with the veggies, we will then add 1 cup of water and let it boil for a good 5 minutes. Time to now add the roasted oats, guys. So mix well until the oats absorb all the water, cover it and let it simmer. And finally, to finish it off, let's add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 26 grams of grated coconut. Give it a few more stirs and there you go. Your low-calorie oats upma is now ready. Now for the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown. This entire recipe is to be divided into 2 servings. If you're planning to make just 1 serving of this recipe, then divide all the ingredients by half. So each serving is a total of about 410 calories, of which 56 grams are carbs, 15 grams are fat, and 13 grams are protein. With that, I'm going to end this video, guys. So try the recipe out. It doesn't take much time to make it. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to make it, but tastes amazing. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel. Do share the recipe with others. I'm going to be making more and more recipe videos, Indian recipe videos, and I'm going to be providing the entire macronutrient breakdown, the calorie breakdown, so that you can enjoy your favorite foods and still make progress in the gym. So until next time, take care.